أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه ومن تبعهم سنته إلى يوم الدين. I extend my equal courtesy and respect to everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah and a pleasant morning. On behalf of the Ministry of Health of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, I express heartfelt appreciation to DKT Philippine Foundation and all the partners involved in this project for supporting us through the provision of floating clinic. This initiative is a meaningful step towards delivering essential family planning and reproductive health services to families, especially those living in coastal communities, unserved and underserved areas where access to health facilities remains limited. By bridging the gaps in access to quality, affordable, and culturally sensitive family planning services, it will empower women, couples, and families in hard-to-reach communities to make informed choices about their reproductive health and to plan the size and spacing of their families. In Islam, the religion teaches us the importance of balancing family size with physical, emotional, and financial capacities. This balance is crucial not only for the well-being of the family, but also to safeguard the health of both the mother and the child or the children. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala teaches us in the glorious Quran, He said that whoever saves a life, it is as if He had saved the entire of humanity. This sacred guidance anchors our mission to extend life-affirming services to those in need. And our Prophet Muhammad ﷺ reminds us that the best of people are those who brings the most benefit to others. And definitely, this initiative will truly benefit our communities. As we move forward, we commit to expanding access to modern family planning methods, promoting informed choices, addressing misinformation and cultural barriers, and reducing teenage and unintended pregnancies. We will continue to monitor, evaluate, and refine the program to ensure quality, safety, and respect for local values. Together, we bring family planning services to other health programs closer to every family wherever they may be. And inshallah ta'ala, this initiative will strengthen our healthcare system and empowers our communities and build a healthier and more resilient Bangsamoro region and beyond. Wabillahi tawfiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum, and once again, a pleasant morning to everyone.
Thank you very much. So that concludes